Community members gathered outside Brian's house to protest. They want him to speak out and help find Gabby. New information emerged from Gabby's friend that supports the fact that Gabby was not the one texting her mother on the 30th. Gabby Petito supposedly had plans with her friend on the 29th of August. The two were supposed to meet in Yellowstone National Park, but the friend never heard from Gabby on that day. The 29th of August was Gabby's friend's birthday, so the plan was that Gabby would call her that day to pin down the specifics about meeting in Yellowstone Park. However, no call came. Gabby's friend was surprised when she heard about the text to Gabby's mom, saying that there was no reception in Yosemite, which is 800 miles from her last known location at Grand Tetons National Park in Wyoming. Gabby's mother is convinced that the text was not sent from her daughter. She said that she finds it odd that Gabby would text her mom about no service, and not message her for her birthday. She just thought that Gabby was busy, until she saw the news about Gabby going missing. She went on to say that she considered Brian a friend, but the truth will come out, and she hopes that it will come sooner rather than later.